So we just reached here. This is the river. It's very fresh. So now I have to cross that bridge. The bridge name is Shaken Bridge. You have to cross that while the bridge is shaking, like you think that you're gonna fall down. That is the amazing thing about it. It's a little scary, as you see. You see? It looks like you're crossing a deadly bridge, but it's still you have to do. Uh-huh. The water speed is as well very fast. My God, this looks so weird. Oh God, please save me. Shit. Ooh. Wow. It's really shaking, my God. Fuck. It's shaking. Ooh. See the water? Wow. The sound itself heals you. And this was the bridge that I crossed. Now we're moving. So this is a tourist spot. People create this kind of places for people who visits this areas. So they give you a rental, like 500 Afghanistan rupees, which is like 7 to $8 something. Yeah, you will rent this and spend your time 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, as much as you want, and then go back to your home. Wow, this area is really amazing. Something beyond the imagination. I didn't imagine it will be this much nice. World thinks that only Switzerland is nice and they have the nature. Habibi, come to Afghanistan and see how great nature we have. Right now Dubai is 47 degree. I just checked. Here is 22 degree and fresh weather. Wow, my God. Yeah, they give you these places for rent and you can enjoy the nature. To be continued. They're not scared at all and they're swimming. Wow. And this is speed of the water.